All right, so now to open the inside of our hips, as well as kind of both hips on this one, what we're gonna do is the half kneeling hip opener. So first thing we're gonna do, kneel down, put something soft under your knee, rotate this leg out, but try to keep your hips, your pelvis, and your shoulders straight ahead. You can put your hands on, one hand on this knee, one hand on this hip, and just go sideways. Try and get a stretch kind of on the groin of the down leg, but you're gonna feel this on both sides. The leading knee, kind of squeeze your glute on that outside to really open up those hips. Again, ready to come in for a breath in, breath out. Just sink right into it.